In this example, please notice that we have 6a on the left side plus 17. These two terms are not like terms. Okay? I want to find value of a. So in this case, I'm going to move positive 17 to the other side. And I'm going to have 6a equals minus 11 minus 17. Remember, anytime you are going to move the variable or number to the other side of the equal sign, you're supposed to change the sign when the other parts of the equation stay at the same positions. And I have 6a equals minus 11 minus 17. Anytime I do not have parentheses, I'm supposed to add these two numbers together and keep the sign. 11 plus 17 is equal 28. And because I have negative sign, I'm going to have negative 28. Next, in order to find value of a, I'm supposed to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to a. In this case, I have to divide by 6. 6 and 6 will cancel out. And I have a equals minus 28 over 6. Why negative? Because negative divided by invisible positive gives me negative. We have improper fraction. We can reduce this fraction before we are going to convert this to the mixed number. 28 and 6, both of them are divisible by 2. And I'm going to have negative 28 divided by 2 is equal 14. 6 divided by 2 is equal 3. In order to find a mixed number, I'm supposed to divide 14 by 3. How many times 3 goes into 14? It goes 4 times. 4 times 3 is equal 12. Subtract 14 minus 12 is equal 2. And my answer is 4 and 2/3. Remember, the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is negative 4 2/3. This is the solution to my problem. In this example, I'm supposed to collect all terms which contain my variable m on one side, and everything whatever has no m next to itself supposed to be moved to the other side. I have negative 10, okay, and I have negative 8m. I'm going to keep negative 8m on the left side, so that's why I have to move this negative 10 to the right side. Why? Because it doesn't have m next to itself. This term, because it has m, I have to move to the left side. Remember, I have to collect all terms with m on one side, either side, left or right. I choose to collect all of them on the left side. That's why I'm going to have negative 8m. I change the side of 2m. That's why I'm going to change the sign. Minus 2m equals negative 10 is moved to the right side. That's why it becomes positive 10. Minus 8 and minus 2. I do not have any parentheses. I simply add them up. Okay, add them up and keep the sign. 8 plus 2 is equal 10, and I have to keep the sign. I have negative 10m equals 10. I'm looking for a value of m. In order to find m, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to m. In this case, I have to divide both sides equation by negative 10. Negative 10 and negative 10 will cancel out, and I have m equals invisible positive divided by negative gives me negative. 10 divided by 10 gives me 1. This is the solution to my problem.